Ever catch yourself daydreaming about getting away, trading your to-do list for an ocean breeze, a sunset that you didn't plan on, or maybe just doing nothing at all? Yeah. Me too. That's exactly why I travel. I'm John Whaley, a seasoned cruiser and travel advisor, and my life revolves around chasing amazing experiences. But honestly, travel isn't just about the destination. It's about the feeling, the freedom, and ultimately those little moments that you will never forget. That's also why I help people make confident, stress-free cruise choices without the guesswork that usually gets in the way. For me, stepping onto a cruise ship is like nothing else I've ever experienced. Freedom, curiosity, excitement, maybe a little bit of mischief, but exploring a new port or tasting a dish that I can't pronounce or just standing on the balcony and feeling the world move beneath my feet, that's the magic I chase and the magic I want you to feel too. But here's the thing, travel can get overwhelming fast. Too many options, confusing itineraries, is this the right ship? Is this a good deal? Am I missing something? And one wrong choice can turn an exciting trip into stress, wasted money, or a cruise that just wasn't you. That's what this channel is here for. I don't just share highlight reels. I help you make sense of it all. I break down cruise lines, cabins, itineraries, and the real costs in plain English, so you can feel confident about what you're booking. I'll show you what's worth it, what's not, and what most people don't realize until it is too late. The goal is simple: less guesswork, fewer mistakes, and a trip that feels effortless once you get there. I want you to travel like a seasoned traveler, even if this is your very first cruise. I have decades of experience, missed lessons, and hard-earned insights working for you from day one. So you get the excitement, the curiosity, the freedom, and maybe a little bit of mischief to feel confident that comes with knowing you made the right call. So whether you are dreaming from your couch or already mapping out your next adventure, I am here to help you do it smarter, do it more smooth, and way more fun. And who knows, maybe we'll even cross paths on a ship someday, because this isn't just what I talk about, it's how I travel too. So hit that subscribe, come along for the ride, and start traveling like someone who knows exactly what they're doing. Because great trips don't just happen by accident, they happen by making the right choices.